I have three important questions for you. Do you notice your head slowly moving forward? Do you feel more rounded in your upper back than before? Does looking up, turning your head, or sitting upright feel harder each year? If you answered yes to at least one of these questions, you need to keep watching. Poor posture is not just about looks. It can affect your breathing, balance, cause neck pain, shoulder pain, and reduce daily comfort. The worse it gets, the more dangerous side effects start to bother you. When you take action, we can prevent that from happening. Simple, gentle exercises can help restore movement, stretch tight muscles, and strengthen weak muscles. And you can do them safely at home. Today, I will show you 5 easy exercises that help improve neck and upper back posture. At this stage of life, we often move less. We sit more, we look down more. This causes some muscles to become tight and others to become weak. Tight chest muscles pull the shoulders forward. Weak upper back and neck muscles struggle to hold us upright. Over time, this leads to forward head posture, rounded shoulders, upper back stiffness, neck and shoulder pain, reduced mobility. Many people believe this is just normal aging, and they are not wrong, but posture can improve with the right movements. Hello, my name is Jan Sosnowski. I'm a physiotherapist working in Dubai, and I help people move better and feel stronger. I also work with seniors, including my own family members. I have seen many older adults improve their posture with simple daily exercises. Imagine if you could. Sit more upright without effort. Turn your head easier. Feel less tightness in your neck and chest. Look taller and more confident. Reduce strain on your spine. These are the same types of exercises I use with my patients. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Wall angels. This exercise helps open the chest and improve shoulder and upper back mobility. It also teaches your body what good posture feels like. Try to move slowly and with control. How to do it? Stand with your back against the wall. Keep your arms by your sides. Turn your palms to face forward. Slowly move your arms out to the side and then up over your head. Keep the back of your hands touching the wall the whole time. Hold for 5 seconds. Slowly lower your arms back down. Repeat 5 times. Exercise 2. Chin tuck. This exercise strengthens deep neck muscles that support your head. It helps reduce forward head posture. The movement is small and gentle. How to do it? Sit or stand tall. Look straight ahead. Gently pull your head straight back like making a small double chin. Do not look down. You can place a hand on your chin to guide the movement. Hold for 5 seconds, relax, and repeat 5 times. Exercise 3. Standing chest stretch. This stretch relaxes tight chest muscles. Tight chest muscles pull your shoulders forward. Stretching them allows your posture to open. How to do it? Stand in a doorway or near a wardrobe. Place one hand high on the frame and the other hand lower. Slowly step forward until you feel a stretch in your chest. Hold for 30 seconds. Change arms and repeat on the other side. Exercise 4. Shoulder blade squeeze. This exercise activates the muscles between your shoulder blades. These muscles help keep your shoulders back and down. It supports an upright posture. How to do it? Stand tall. Pull your shoulders back and down. Stretch your arms out to the sides. Gently push your chest forward and slightly up. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 5 times. Exercise 5. Neck stretch. This stretch helps reduce tightness on the sides of the neck. It improves neck mobility and comfort. Always stretch gently. How to do it? Sit or stand tall and look straight ahead. Place your right hand on your left shoulder and gently hold it down. Slowly tilt your head to the right. Hold for 5 seconds. Return to the center. Repeat on the other side. Do 3 times on each side. Start with just a few repetitions each day. The goal is not perfection. The goal is consistency. Let me know in the comments how your neck and posture feel after trying these exercises. Do them regularly to see the real improvement. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more senior-friendly exercises. Share this video with someone who struggles with hunched posture. You can stand taller. You can move better. You just need to start.